Let's play freeze dance.
Okay.
Freeze.
Wait, am I supposed to freeze now?
Unfreeze.
No, Brianna, you killed Timmy. You're not supposed to play freeze dance. It's for population control. It kills people.
I didn't know. Hey, Kevin, I made you muffins.
Thanks, Brianna.
Hey, stay away from Kevin. He's mine.
Well, I don't see your name on him.
Let's play freeze dance and settle this once and for all. Whoever wins gets Kevin.
Deal.
I didn't agree to this.
Freeze.
Ow, ow, leg grip, leg grip. No, Kevin, baby, I'm coming to save you.
Unfreeze.